Anti-Frizz, our new product. An amazing product, and obviously it took us 18 months to perfect it and to get it to where it is and how it works. The way it sprays out is very, very different. It's not like a texturizer, it's not like a 7-seconds detangler. It's the finest, widest spraying mist that we could get, which is what we wanted to get absolutely perfect, even coverage. A couple of things I want you to notice here. There are two seals, one at the front and one towards the back. The only one that you break is the one towards the back when you put your finger on the back of the sprayer and push it down. So let's break that seal at the back and you'll see the nice even mist come out. Lovely fine mist all the way through. I'm just completely holding my finger down. I'm not pumping. I'm not pressing really hard. I'm just literally locking it down so you can spray that evenly all through the hair. And that's how you do it, guys. You don't need to pump. You don't need to push down hard. It's just a really light touch on the back and get that beautiful even spray coming all the way through. And that's it. Anti-Frizz, take away all your frizz and get your hair nice and smooth and shiny.